What is up, you beautiful, beautiful people? We are going to be doing something special today. You remember I did the butter knife, right? Try to guess what I'm gonna be doing today. A spoon. Now, I've heard of a lot of people sharpening a butter knife, but I haven't heard a lot of people making a tactical weapon out of a spoon. If you could tell me who has, I actually want to see it. Anyways, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to see more, make sure you slap the like button. Now anyways, enough talking, and let's get to this montage. Oh my god. Oh my god. with a spoon. I'm done. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, and if you want more, leave a comment down below of what you want to see. Anyways, hope you have a beautiful day, and I love you guys. Peace out.